Purchasing airfare is going to be expensive no matter how you want to look at it. But here are some ways that can, of course, cut down your costs. The first one, use a travel or airline credit cards. And there are some credit cards that you can use, of course, where you get the points and all those types of things. You can use those points to redeem for travel, flights, hotels, rental cars as well. The next, plan your trip in advance as much as you can. The flights, of course, it just depends on the day and time. Like I said, they can, of course, fluctuate, but definitely plan your trip in advance and don't wait till the last moment. Book on certain days, the days that you can, of course, research and see what the prices are running. Do that first, and like I said, fly at unpopular times. Sometimes those red-eye overnight flights are the cheapest. Booking with a budget airline can, of course, help, but as I'm researching and as I'm looking, sometimes the budget airlines, especially when I looked at Spirit, can, of course, add on those bags to tax you like I don't know what. So be mindful with booking with budget airlines, but it can be definitely good for you. It just depends on how many bags you're taking, because like I said, their bag prices are, even the carry-on bags, you have to pay for those on Spirit. Now, other ones you don't have to, but with Spirit, like I said, the price may be nice, but the baggage prices aren't. Sign up for sites like TravelZoo and Skyscanner, which will of course send you different flights and different information about what the prices are running, and will also help you plan your trip on different days, just in case it'll save you some money. Usually when I'm traveling and doing things, I'm looking at Expedia, because that's the site, that the app that I have on my phone, and that's the one that, of course, usually gives me the lowest price. So you can look at Expedia. Some folks look at Priceline. It just depends on what you're comfortable with, what you're comfortable with, and what you want to use. But I love Expedia, so I use Expedia. And booking with a travel agency, of course, they can do the legwork for you. So you wouldn't have to sit up and find the prices and do all that. They can do it for you and let you know what they find. The main gist of all this, of course, is the bottom line. That flights, of course, have gone up and gone up over the years, and the prices will probably continue to, of course, increase as well. But just be mindful that there are some tips out there and some strategies that you can use to, of course, get a cheaper flight on some days and sometimes on certain airlines. So like I said, definitely do your research. I hope this helped.